what you need. If you need time alone or you need time with your friends, go do that. I mean, wala namang maling step eh. You just have to start. So whether it's more into fitness or more into like studies, if you're gonna go back to study, why not, diba? Or if you want to explore a new career, I mean, wala namang malaki or maliit na step eh. Basta you just have to begin. You just have to start doing it. Whatever it is that you want to do.
Love that. And of course, how does fragrance, how does being a Holy Woman come into play with all of that?
Malaki talaga ang role kasi I'm a very sentimental person and talagang scent plays a big role in that. Like marami akong mga kaibigan or even my parents, meron silang scent na alam kong sila yon. Alam mo yun? So parang every time I go someplace or may iba akong bansang pupuntahan tapos naamoy ko yun, naalala ko si mama, naalala ko si daddy, ganun. So very, very big role talaga sa akin ng scent. Kaya I always make sure na I'm wearing the best scent. And that is BW Women by
Oh my gosh. Big round of applause, everybody. Come on. That being said, you hear Lady Barbie. Besides the dream, like the whimsical scent, what else can you say about, oh, okay, I am owning this era. Ito yung representation ng era na to.
Yung dinidescribe ko ngayon, yung project sa Huge, or binabasa ko lang. Actually, yung TV show ko, nagagawin ko sa March is very, parang women-centered siya. So, we're gonna talk about fashion, we're gonna talk about women empowerment, sophistication, lahat talaga doon. And it's gonna be a different Barbie, definitely. More fashionable, sophisticated Barbie. And I'm very, very excited dahil Kulang Araw was very successful. I'm very, very thankful. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at sumuporta po sa Kulang Araw. Maraming salamat. But for this year, lalaban tayo. Outfit tayo.
Ibang Barbie for this.
Fashion. Syempre. That's the dream.
But of course, since we are already on that topic, empowerment, confidence, now what advice can you give women, especially everybody what advice can you give everybody here? Of course, we're just starting their empowerment journey, their